Welcome back to another episode on the Help Desk After Hours. Today we are going to install Windows 11 on that was a drum roll. Unsupported hardware. Why? Because we can. Microsoft doesn't want you to, but we're gonna anyway. If you have a nice laptop that's maybe a few years old and one little thing on it doesn't support Windows 11, well, guess what? We're going to install Windows 11 on it. This is a very quick and painless process. I will walk you through it. So let's get into it. First of all, Google Rufus. Go ahead and go to rufus.ie and do the download thing. So you want to come down here. I'm going to do the exe. They have a portable version if you just want to use it on multiple devices and maybe put it on a USB stick. Anyway, we're going to do the standard exe version. Not much of a difference besides the portable version is basically like installing every time you run it. So temporary install, I'm pretty sure. But anyway, so hit the download, hit yes to the updates, and that's it. Done. All right, so now let's open a new tab and do Windows 11 ISO. Or you can just do Windows 11 download, or just probably Windows 11. Anyway, come on in here. You probably know what to do here, but drop down Windows 11, confirm. Drop down your language, confirm, and download. Let's let that download, and we'll get into it. Okay, now we got it downloaded, and we got the ISO downloaded. Now you want one of these things. Ooh, and we're going to shove it into one of the ports on our computer here. And from there, well, you just have to watch to see what happens next. By the way, I recommend at least 32 gigs on your USB stick. All right, so here we are. Select your USB stick. And now we need to select the image that we downloaded. So we'll hit select here. And took me right to my downloads folder where the ISO is located. Double click that. Then from here, all that, just leave it default. And this next part is where we need to make the changes. So in here, you want to remove the requirements for the RAM, secure boot, and TPM. All this other stuff you can leave unchecked. Just hit OK. If you're doing an in-place upgrade and you already have the computer set up, leave it all unchecked besides this top part here and hit OK. If it is a new PC or you want to install a new image on it, then you can come through here and check all this, whatever you want. So I'm going to leave the rest unchecked. I'm going to hit OK. And it should be... All right, hit OK on the warning pop-up. And let it do its thing. You may get a little pop-up that says, please insert disk. Just hit OK or cancel on that, and as you can see, Rufus will continue to run. I don't know what that is from, but it seems to have no effect. Or does it? So as you can see, we are running Windows 10 with a few custom applications and a test document I made. Let's do this, Windows 10. So take the USB we just made using Rufus, plug it on into the side of your computer or wherever it goes on your device. You open it up, go to that USB drive, and just run the setup. Yes. Okay, once it initializes, I suggest hitting the change how setup downloads updates and select not right now. That way the upgrade is a bit faster. So hit next. Okay, accept. It most likely got this error because I have a few updates. So you definitely want to make sure your PC is updated. I'm going to right click this and go to settings and run the updates. Okay, I've got everything up to date and the USB stick plugged in. So let's go to the USB stick and run setup again. All right, again, I'm going to turn off the download updates option for a faster install. Click accept. All right, so you'll get this screen. If your device, of course, obviously doesn't support Windows 11. However, since we're using Rufus and we bypass the TPM secure boot and 4 GB RAM option, we can go ahead and hit accept. And once you see this screen, hit next, let it do its thing. All right, as you can see, the upgrade completed successfully. We log in and my data should still be there. And there it is. As you can see, everything's still the way it was before the upgrade. And you can use this on multiple devices. Hope this helps someone out there. Like and subscribe.
Do it! Just do it!